Alright, here we go. Coming in fourth, whatever, because there's a lot of good skaters. It wasn't easy. So we have number 4, we got represent Sessions, we got Felcher. I got your board shaking the car. Alright, coming in number 3. Also skating for Sessions and skating for himself. He's got 50 bucks in his pocket, a new board, and some a new t-shirt. It's Charlie. Where you at? Hey, y'all give it up, man. All you guys give it up. Beat all you fuckers. Alright. Coming in second. Shit was really tough. Coming in second. Skate for Pal, Bones, and DC. Getting 100 bucks a board, which you probably don't need. You can sling it though. And a t-shirt. We got Alex Longcamp. Almost had the Nollie Lake foot flip. Probably would have sealed it up. Almost had it. Coming in first. Skate for Instrument, Anonymous, in DC, Devin Abner, 350, son. Yeah! 350. Cigarettes, Bud Lights, all week. All week. Yeah. Mountain Dews, wife beaters. Yeah. Shitting on them. Come get your money, man. Come see me. I got y'all. It's a wrap. Thanks everybody for coming out. Come to the after party. You guys can all get in, unless you're like really, really young. If you're like 16, you can probably make it in. So everybody come out, have some refreshments with your favorite skaters. Maybe Devin will buy you guys a drink. I don't know, probably not. He might. So that's it. It's a wrap. Good looking out. Thanks for coming out, everybody. We'll see somebody doing work. Here you go. The music starts, get it going.